This is the third time I've tried to make this didge bag for this didgeridoo. I finished this didge I finished this didge last week, actually. And now I'm making the bag for it. And this is like my third attempt at making this bag. I made a different bag, but it turned out to be too skinny. So now I'm starting from scratch. I got it all cut out and everything, and now I'm sewing it together. And I can honestly say I am not a natural born seamstress, but this is actually turning out pretty okay. Let me show you. So here's the bag. As you can see, the didge is laying on it, obviously. I've been doing some last measurements to make sure I get it right this time, because I want this to be the last time I do this. So the idea is that this will just get sewn like that. And then, yeah. So I have, let me bring you down here real quick. So the part I'm working on right now is this bit right here. I'll do the stitching across this way. And then that makes like a little tunnel type thing to put a shoelace through. And that will tie up the bottom end so the didge doesn't fall out. So yeah, I've been spending my day pretty much making this bag, and when I'm done with it, I'm gonna go on a very badly needed forest walk. But yeah, I mean, I made this didge. Here, let me put the camera back a little bit farther so you can see what I'm talking about here. So this is the didge that I've been working on. And I finished it up last week. So it turned out really good. It's a yucca didge. It's a low B. So you want to hear it? So yeah, I am super happy with the sound of this didge. It's a low B, and so it's a deeper sounding didge. And man, it fills the room. It totally fills the room. It's definitely one of the more resonant didges that I've ever made. So yeah, super happy with the sound. Okay, for now, I have to lay the didge down and go get the rest of this bag sewn up. So I will catch you guys a bit later. Ta-da! Now for the moment of truth. Let's try this. Okay, come over here. Straighten that out. All right. There it is. The didge bag. It looks short from this angle. Let's go get the didge. Okay, here we go. Alrighty. Doop. Okay, so now comes the fun part. We're going to stick it in, see if it fits. Whoa! Yes! Yes, 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 yes! It worked! I'm so excited. I'm so excited that that worked. Third time's the charm. So all that needs to be done now is to put a shoelace through it, put one of those springy thingies on it, and it'll be totally, completely finished. Then I'll get to take photos for the web shop. So excited.